Hi guys, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today, as you can see, we're going to do a product review of this Vice Cosmetics, which is the collaboration of BT21 and Vice Ganda. So this product is called Eyeshadow Palette BT21 Universe, and it costs 395 pesos, and it has 12 shades in color, and they are claiming that this is smooth, pigmented, and blendable. So let's go ahead and check it out and unwrap this product. Now we have already unwrapped the actual item. So first thing is the authentication. So at the back you have here the hologram line friends, and again this is the authenticity. Same thing on the back, you see the name of the actual eyeshadow palette, which I don't know how to pronounce them. So yeah, so once you open the item, it is smell really good. So ang bango-bango niya, it smells like rose, and I truly love this kind of tone, because this is earth tone, which is again very friendly sa skin tone ng Asians. And what I observe, this palette has 6 matte and then 6 shiny. Though shiny, you can also use this as highlighter as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and have this one tested, and yeah, let's check the result if this is good. Now before we start, I would like to apply this Stays Lady, and this is a full cover concealer. This is to again as a primer on the eyeshadow. So this one is smooth to apply, water resistant, easy to blend as well. So as you can see, the actual product, it is creamy. So we're gonna go ahead and start applying this to our crease. Alright, so I have here the foundation brush, and gagamitin natin siya para spread out ang ating concealer. So once again, this concealer will be act as the primer before applying the eyeshadow to make the products more makapit. So hindi siya basta-basta as well kumakalat. So let's see. Alright, so I think I have already equally spread out the product. So we're gonna go ahead and show you the eyeshadow brushes.
Like that.
Alright, so after done all the swatches, I think I have already a color that I'm gonna use. Alright, so here's the first shade. So I'm gonna use the shades number 1 as the base color. One thing I noticed this eyeshadow palette doesn't have salamin. So I'm gonna use the small mirror. So let's start. Alright, so after we apply the base color, we're gonna do the shade number 2. So this will be for our outer crease. So, yan. So if you think, guys, if the actual shade is not that, pack na pack, you can still add more. And don't wag kayo matakot mag-mix ng shades. So, again, this is for the outer crease. So, yeah. Next is, I'm gonna use this straight cut brush. So, we're gonna use this on the shiny for our transition in eye crease. So as you can see, it's a bit creamier. Alright, so I think this is actually a good transition color. So yeah, let's finalize this one. Alright, I think we're good. Now using the halo brush, so again, the halo brush, we're just gonna go ahead and have this mix our transition eye crease and then the outer eyeshadow. So yan, blend mo lang siya konti. Alright, so using this pointed brush, we're gonna use this for this matte black. So we're gonna put a depth transition or effects. So this will be on the side. Alright, so medyo dagdagan lang natin siya and then we're good na sa depth effects. Alright, using the shades number 5, so also using the pointed brush. So as you can see, we're just gonna put the inner highlight. So alright, as you can see, using again the pointed brush, applying the shades number 5 dito sa aking lower, that's for the lower lid for the effects. Alright, using the foundation brush, you can go ahead and use this as corrector. So there we go. So using the repair brush, let's remove those fall off and we're done.
ginagawa mo?
Alright, so yan, Beshi, pak na pak, diba? So, there we go. So, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, please do click thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.